The Jccrp Coordination Committee on Reservation Policy (Jccrp) continued their sit-in demonstration at East Janta Hills Deputy Commissioner's campus yesterday to pressure the state government to review the reservation policy. The General Secretary of Jccrp and leader of the EJNC, Sambormi Lingdo, mentioned that the government should look at the population of the three major tribes, which can also be based on the three autonomous councils. Lingdo also condemned the TMC MLA from Rajabala, Dr. Mizanur Rahman Kazi, who demanded 50% for the unreserved category for the Garo community. As a sign of protest, the EJNC pressure group burnt his image at the meeting.
Yang kita kibru kiwan nabar ke state ke yang ihado sanpau persen kini hito kabut yang ke sorkar wakamnu penjai-jai yang kini ke jingiki di ke wathau kita kilat kiluti wakamnu uperchang upenmi.
The weather report. The maximum